Hey guys, Taros here, RPM Auto Reviews. I'm in my Kia Stinger. I need to take off this console because I did change my shift. You can see this is broken. I broke my shifter. How did I break it? Well, probably would have stopped here, but the bottle was here, so I managed to go this far and jam this forward and broke it. I can still put it in gear. I can still go like this and still put it in gear, but it is broken, so I do need to change the whole assembly. Try to get this off, and I'm going to try to change the assembly myself.
So, here we go. I don't have those little plastic tool clips that I designed for taking these out, so I'm just going to use this little cheap plastic thing underneath here, see if it's enough to pop this up. But from my understanding, this just kind of pops up by itself. I might not even need anything, but just some plastic, use this in a flat screwdriver, right?
Oh, I don't even need that.
Just kind of comes off.
Okay, there we go. I've been meaning to get some two-way tape so I could put a little sticker on the dash here. Alright guys, I didn't even need anything. That was easy. And there's some harnesses underneath here. So I'll try to carefully get that out of the way. So, just as I suspected, it should be relatively easy. That came out easy. Here's a new one. I got this on eBay for $100 US plus shipping and everything. It was 170, I think, US. Now this, my Stinger friends, in US is $605, a Kia US. Kia Canada quoted me $1,900. Can you fucking believe that? I had to check for prices for a strut once, which I ended up not needing it, but I ended up ordering a front strut. I have for sale for some, but if anybody wants one, the front left strut, electronic kind. And that was around $575 US, but the strut in Canada was $1,200, which is still crazy. Usually things in Canada, parts and stuff are like, 25, 30, 40% the most more than the US price. But this is more than double for the strut. So this in the US is $605, so only like $30 more in the US between the strut, yet the strut was $1,200 and this is $1,900. And they even said that they don't think it have in stock. Not that I would order it. I would just go old school Flintstone style and put a hole in my floor and just walk the car around if they wanted that kind of money for it. I don't know why that's kind of corrupt. I don't know why they would have some kind of crazy prices like that. Obviously I'm going to go shopping for used parts. So I got this from someplace, some guy on eBay. Let's hope it works. And we'll get that in there and find out, but it's not broken. And it looks like it's going to be easy to do. It looks like there's just simple screws here holding it down. There's one here, one there, one down there, which I'm going to need the a ratchet set for. Another one here and another one here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are just regular Phillips and one ratchet set. So I'm going to start doing that, and I'll save the camera, video, and battery, and get back to you in a bit. Okay, so it was 1, 2, 3 in there, 4 here, 5 there. I'm going to pull that out with the unit because it's kind of hard to get my finger in there. And one down there looks like it's going to be, if it's the same as the other ones here that had the Phillips, but it still had the regular socket type hexagon thing, that was were number 10. These were over there number 10. So if this is also number 10, I think I'm going to get that next. So those are the ones to take out. And of course there'll be a harness thing in here to unclip, right? So we'll get that done as well. So those two were Phillips, and you can use the ratchet head for it. So it had a dual head. Now this one is coming loose already.
Oh, this comes out now. Now this little tray here is kind of in the way for this last one. Let's see if I can get enough angle on it to do it without stripping it. So far not bad.
Okay, so we'll go back and I checked out, and it is a number 10, the 10 millimeter, whatever it is, a number 10 socket for this little piece down here. Hope you guys can see that from there. Now I think this should just lift right out.
There we go.
Take that bolt out before it falls somewhere else. So that was pretty easy. Now it's just got the harness. So of course it's got the little thing that, of course, you know, that bends, releasing the little clip, and then you can just pull it out, but it's just obviously a little stubborn in there, and I want to get it out without pulling too hard. I don't think these things will just all rip right off, but I just don't want that to happen, of course. So I got to play with it a little bit softly. It's a little stubborn to get out, so I need something to get in there and grab it on both sides. So I use my ZT 0770. So we can push this up and get a clip up on both sides. There we go. That helped. Can't go wrong with the ZT. Okay, so that came out. If you guys can see that, I think you can see it from here, the little harness thingy. So there we go. Little bobble. It's like a bobblehead now. Now the new one has a little scratch on here, so I'm gonna probably have to pop this off and change that part, because that could be changed as well. So now this one, I'm assuming this whole thing doesn't have to be screwed down. Once I plug it in, I'm gonna start the car and see if it works. If it doesn't work, I can put my old one in.
Just clip that right back. I'll just set it down where it's supposed to be and start the car. Alright, let's see if it works. It's in reverse, and we're moving. And we're driving, we're moving forward.
And neutral. And parking engaged. There we go, guys. 170, a little over, probably like 220, 25 bucks maximum Canadian. And I got my new shifter lever assembly. It's working. Fantastic, easy to do myself. This is, you don't need to be paying like $100, $200 to a mechanic to do this. Okay, here we go. The new one's in. Reverse, yes. Car's moving back. Drive. Car's moving forward. P. It's in P. Works great, guys. What an easy little thing to fix. So if you guys have a lot of jobs to do and you got to fix your cars, you know, little things, look at how you can do it. You don't have to be a mechanic for some things that are just as simple as, you know, almost as simple as changing a light bulb, for crying out loud. This was really easy to pop off. A couple of screws, switch a harness, like plugging in your stereo to your TV and stuff, you know, and re-screwing down a cabinet or something. Geez, that's so easy. Save gas in this crazy prices. So we'll get this screwed back down, get this cap back on, and Bob's your uncle.
Alright. So this will just come back now. Oh, this was stuck down a bit more here, so get that out of the way. So don't just stuck in the way either. And each other. And just goes down, guys. That's it.
What do you know? I'm a mechanic. Awesome, guys. Alright, seems to work. I'm gonna try not to break this one, guys. I think that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe. Look out for some more drag racing coming. I might start doing some car reviews again if I have time, just something here and there. I mean, there's some cool cars coming out, but with what's going on around the world and hardly anything's available, who knows?